Hello, and today you are looking at a Sesco Airbot 2000 brought to you by Lanco Corporation. We'll start by looking at the control panel, which is set right now on manual mode, so we can actually run the hoist back and forth and up and down and show the cycles that it goes through. On the actual control panel here, you can see that the indication lights shows what station it's currently at, station 1, 2, 3, or 4. Right now it's saying that the hoist is in the lowered position. There's also a hoist raised light. It's set up for 2 programs. There are no programs entered into it right now. Again, we have it on manual, so it can be transferred forward, reverse, up or down. And there's also a home setting on there as well. So if you look inside that control panel, you can actually see the interior. There's an Allen Bradley SLC500 with all the proper documentation and literature for that, and the back of the buttons. Very nice panel. This hoist is actually air powered and 110 volt. I will show you the actual hoist moving up and down, cycling forward. We put a tank on here to simulate a rack that will actually move back and forth and actually can look as if it's going down into a tank. Here's it actually dropping down, and that is what your rack would look like as it sets down into the tank or stays hooked on. The actual braking system for the up and down is located right here. It's a disc on the very back, and you'll see once it hits the bottom position, the actual caliper will release and grabs a hold of the disc. There's also a forward and reverse drive disc on the back. You can see that up on the top here. And that operates in the same function. As the hoist moves forward and back and gets to its located position, that caliper will engage and grab a hold of the disc and move that forward. Here's just some extra air line. This is the Festoon cable for the actual hoist. Here is the air manifold that we are currently hooked into. I'll climb up onto the top where we can actually see the cylinder. This is the cylinder that moves back and forth. There's a cable on the inside of this cylinder, so it pushes it back and forth, and that's how the actual hoist traverses both back and forth. And then here is the superstructure. As you can see, it's on 4-inch I-beams. Can easily be unbolted at both the bottom and the top. And this can easily be extended by adding extra C-channel onto those I-beams to make this longer. And that is the Sesco Airbot. If you have any questions, please contact Lanco Corporation at 616-887-8300. Thank you.